Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Mohan Yadav has announced a significant addition to the state school curriculum, a chapter detailing the excesses and repression experienced during the emergency period of 1975 to 1977 in India. This chapter will cover the imprisonment of opposition leaders and the resilient resistance they mounted against the authoritarian measures imposed by then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Hello and welcome. This is Akanksha and you're watching HW News English. In a gathering at his Bhopal residence on Wednesday, CM Yadav addressed the Loktantra Senanis or the democracy fighters who opposed the emergency. He emphasized the importance of educating present generation about his critical period in India's history. The new chapter will highlight the suspension of civil liberties, suppression of dissent, and erosion of democratic principles during the 21-month-long emergency, as well as the determination of Loktantra Senanis to oppose these drastic measures. To honor these democracy fighters, CM Yadav announced several benefits, including a 50% of discount on accommodation in government circuits and rest houses, as well as toll relaxations on highways. Additionally, Yadav stated that air ambulances will also be provided to the Loktantra Senanis needing urgent medical treatment in major hospitals or metropolitan areas. This initiative aligns with Yadav's broader educational reform plans, which includes incorporating the teachings of Lord Ram and Lord Krishna into the state's curriculum. He mentioned the places visited by Lord Ram in the state would be identified and developed as religious sites and included in the state's manifesto. During his speech on June 26, Yadav announced additional facilities for the Loktantra Senanis in commemoration of the 50th anniversary of the emergency on June 25. He assured that there would be no delay in the payment of expenses incurred by the democracy fighters on treatment through their Ayushman health card, with respect to collectors ensuring payment within 3 months. For serious health problems, air ambulances will also be made available to transport the Loktantra Senanis to major hospitals or other metropolitan areas for treatment. Under the state's air taxi service, a 25% discount on fares will be also provided to anti-emergency crusaders. Furthermore, Yadav also announced that arrangements would be made for the last rites of Loktantra Senanis with state honours, and the amount given to the families at the time of funeral would be increased from 8,000 to 10,000. Employment opportunities will also be made available to the family members of the democracy fighters by providing them with necessary training for setting up industries or business ventures. In similar views, political scientists Yogendra Yadav and Suhas Palshikar have formally objected to their names being retained in the revised NCERT textbooks and have threatened legal action if these books, which still bear their names, are not withdrawn immediately. This comes after the National Council of Educational Research and Training, that is the NCERT, revised the curriculum for the school textbooks in line with the National Education Policy 2020. Since 2014, this is the 4th round of revision and updating of the NCERT textbooks. Now let's discuss about the India's emergency period. The Indian emergency was a 21-month-long period beginning on June 25, 1975, marked by unprecedented political turmoil in India. Prime Minister Indira Gandhi imposed a state of emergency across the nation, citing internal disturbance as a reason, with President Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed officially issuing the order under Article 352 of the Constitution. During this period, civil liberties were suspended, elections were cancelled, and the Prime Minister ruled with an iron fist. Political opponents were imprisoned, dissidents were forced to hiding, and the press faced severe censorship. Do let us know what are your thoughts on Chief Minister Mohan Yadav's announcements in the comment box. Till then, keep watching HW News English and also download our app HW News Shorts for the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.